Hey scrappy friends, welcome back. Today we have a project for the Hey Little Magpie creative team. I'm Helen if you're watching on Hey Little Magpie. I'm going to be using 49 and Market Kaleidoscope plage kit with some wax seals as always, and yeah, actually I thought I'd use some of the new dyes. I haven't, so it's just wax seals on this one. And before I get going, if you're not already a subscriber, please think about hitting that subscribe button. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you've enjoyed. Not sure what to say, just pop a scrappy emoji for the sake of engagement and I can say hi back. Yeah, that out of the way, let's get scrapping.
So these page kits come in those lovely plastic wallets that I just had up there, and it's 4 background pieces and then lots of laser cut pieces. There's steps as to what die cuts, which laser cut pieces go with which layout on the kit. I've pulled out all the pieces that it suggests or it has for the pre-planned kit layout for this, and then I've pulled out some frames that I had left over from the first layout when I did my own thing. I'm doing my own thing again. I'm using the pieces from the page one and then putting it together in my own way. These are pictures of little O and baby I. Loves his cousin. He really does, that boy. So he's giving him a squeeze and doing his cheeky face. I'm just going around the photo and adding the elements from the laser cut sheet. I pretty much am happy with where everything goes from where I am now. I did want to put some pieces that come behind the photos that kind of, lift it, because my border on my photos are white, the frame's that off-white, so apart from the really coloured parts of the background paper, there's not really much difference in colour. So I do tuck in a few of these larger pieces as well around the photo. There we go, that photo strip as well, which is that gorgeous turquoise colour. So yeah, get a lot of like the elements tucked in and tucked around, not just to make it look pretty, but also break up the colour as well. So this isn't the longest of videos because I do place everything where I'm happy with it, kind of, jiggle things about. I'm tucking in the wax seals here because I do like them tucked in and tucked around. Similar as I've said before, how I would use flare or epoxy flare or any, little circular embellishments. I just like the dimension of the wax seals, and it's a different texture on the page as well. With the video, I do cut out, once I've got everything where I'm happy with it, I cut out sticking it down, and I just come back and just show you the layout finished. I do like this pop of black on the top, this little label. So I do end up moving things, those leaves that had accidentally pulled off the stem, move them about so it looks like that branch is coming out from behind that black piece as well. And I think as well, putting that black semicircle where it's diagonal to the black title piece, so it does balance that black out on the page. So here's one of the Tucky cards. This is a big tag, and just deciding where that was going, and can't have a naked hole. This kit in the laser cut pieces have these big bows as well, which were great to put in the holes on the tags too. I wanted something, as talking about at the beginning of this fast forward bit, wanted something to break the colour up so everything's not falling into the background. So that large ticket piece or label piece worked well to sort of separate that tag from the background and make it pop a little bit more. So yeah, just tuck in some of the little pieces in now. So I really like that pop of pink there on the left, and I'm not precious about pink on a boy layout. I don't see it being, why it's an issue. I say that quite a bit and like kind of make it sound like it is an issue because I say it whenever I put pink. So I'm going to stop saying it. So love these little butterfly and moth pieces, so I'm just scattering them around the page as well. I think I try and get some of those circular sentiment embellishments on as well. I think I end up getting one worked into it. And I do have some pieces left over still from this, second page kit from the collection. So they will just be, brought on to when I do the next page. So, pay it forward to page 3, when page 1 and page 2 have bits left over. So yeah, just faff making sure I'm happy with where the butterflies are, and trying to even out the colour around the page. And we are very almost done. And just a case of getting things stuck down and then the journaling done off camera. So that's what the suggested page was, and that's what I've done instead. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Take care. Bye bye.